Bili ka?
So open.
Okay lang, wala ka.
Ate, pick up order. First one, we have the hand mixer blender. So this is a 4-in-1. Let's open. So the manual is in QR code. So this is the brand from Simplus, which I ordered in Shopee. This one is the food processor, so it can also be for meat grinder. And this one is, I think it's a beaker. If you're making smoothies, so you can use this. So here's the like here. We also have a whisk for mixing. So let's try. So I'm already familiar with this brand since I already have the multi-cooker. So far, it's working well. So I tried to get the 4-in-1 hand mixer with the blender, food processor, and the speaker. So let's see if it's working. So it has um, 1 and 2. So maybe this one is if it's you want it to be strong enough, you can go to 2. So you can press this one. You can make smoothies in here. Then next we have is the whisk. So for the whisk, so if we need to use this, we need to put this one first. If it's the head of the whisk here. Then if you're uh, making pastries, I think you can use this, like the cookies. or even dalgona coffee. Yeah, here. Okay, so I think it's working fine. So let's put this one aside. Okay, is in the same brand. So this one is a rice cooker. So I plan to change my rice cooker since I'm already using it around 4 years. So time for a change. So this one is a bit bigger from the one that I have right now. So this one. So this is a latest rice cooker since it has a function wherein you can desugar the rice that you have. So it has here the start, cancel, reset, and the menu. So this is the wire, and it comes along with a cup to measure the rice or the water. Then you also have the payment, and I think you can use it if you're steaming like dumplings, or if you're desugaring the rice, you need to use this. And here, so it's cute. Then the last one we have is the Xiaomi induction cooker. So I also have already an existing one, but I also bought another one since we just only have one stove. So in case we need to cook two more dishes and we have limited time, so we can use this one. So this is the induction cooker. Okay. So all of these are bought in the Orange app. So for the prices, since I bought this one on sale, for the Xiaomi induction cooker, I bought it around 1,200 or almost at least 1,300. Then for the simplest items, for the 4-in-1 hand mixer blender, original price is 1,199. But since it's on sale, I bought it around 999. For the rice cooker, since this one is 3 liters, so the original price is 2,499. So, but I bought it for around 2,219. So it's not bad since I want the function that it has, the sugar. But it's not just the sugar function, but you can use it for steaming, for making porridge, for soup. So it's really helpful, especially if you're working and you have limited time for cooking. So yeah. Okay, so time to clean up all of this mess.
God is challenging us not only to become the disciple, but to become a radical disciple. Diba?